Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Lucid Trading. We're going to be reviewing NIO stock. We're going to analyze NIO stock today. The stock market just closed, so that's the perfect time to analyze it. And before we go in, as you see, I'm not looking that good. I got COVID, so I'm feeling pretty sick, but I want to make this last analysis for today because I made a prediction that NIO stock would correct heavily, and it came through fruition. So I just want to give you guys a heads up on what's going to be happening next. So I predicted there would be a... wait. Before we begin, there's a link to the Patreon in the description. If you want to support me, then make sure you do. Click that. You get benefits like early access, access to the posts I make on Patreon, and many more things, consultations. It would really help out the channel. The quality of the channel would go way up very soon. And yeah, let's get into the analysis. Like and subscribe. Let's go. So we're looking at the 30 minutes for NIO stock, ticker NIO. We thought we would go up and then go down and then correct. Well, that didn't happen. This was a bullish scenario, so the markets would be going up, so NIO goes up. But in a bearish scenario, we said that the opposite would happen. We would go down from that point right here. So yeah, we said we would probably hit the $28 and then the $27. Well, we are at the $27.5, so we were on point. We had that right there. If we move this a little bit, I think right like that. Looks kind of similar, don't you think? Without the spike, obviously. Let's just forget the spike. It's not going to happen. So we're looking bearish. MACD is looking bearish. RSI is looking pretty oversold. Really oversold in comparison to what we had before. We're at a low of like 27.5 at the moment. We could go lower to the $27.2. You can see here that we bounced from that level, 27.27. We bounced from this level, so we could see a bounce from that level. And let me just scroll out. Go to the 1 hour. Ooh, that looks very bearish. It looks very, very bearish. We could continue correcting till 27 or till the $25. RSI is looking pretty low, but can go lower. 4 hours. This is looking super bearish. My prediction is probably gonna come out. We're gonna see the $24 maybe. If the markets stay bearish, we're gonna definitely see the $25, $24 level, which is about 10% downside from here. Look at the MACD. Look at the RSI. Oversold. Overbought, I mean. It's going to come down. This is going to come down as well. Let's look at the daily. I think it's only going to get worse. Yeah. Well, actually, the daily is looking quite positive. RSI is going lower, which is a good thing. Daily is still positive. So this is just going to be a temporary correction. Weekly is still positive. So we are going to have a temporary correction, guys. As I have said in my last video, NIO is going to probably go down. It's probably going to go down to $27, and then after that, 26.2, and we could potentially see a bigger correction if the markets are correcting bigger. We could see it go to $24 right there if the markets go bearish. If the markets don't go bearish, I could expect this 26.3 would be my expectation. Hold on. I'm going to draw what I think is going to happen. 1 second. So we go sideways a bit. We go lower. 26.7 is going to be reached. And then we go sideways a bit. Possibly lower again. 26.4. And then from here we bounce up. And then we move sideways until we have a breakthrough. So this is going to be my analysis for NIO stock. It is looking short-term bearish, possibly to $26.3. If it doesn't hold up, it's going to go to $25, which is right around here, which was a support. If that doesn't hold up, 24. If that doesn't hold up, 21.6. For this to happen, the whole market would be crashing. So if the whole market is crashing 2 to 3%, NIO is going to go back to 21.6. All right, guys, this was my analysis. I know it was a little bit short because I'm feeling pretty sick and unwell. And to be honest, there's not much to say. I mean, it's correcting. And long term, it's going to be bullish, obviously. As I said, we're going to go sideways and then we're going to go up. So yeah, guys, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, check my Patreon out, support me there. It would be very awesome. It would increase the quality of the videos drastically in the coming weeks. I'll be live streaming NIO when the earnings come up in the beginning of November. All right, guys, this was Lucid Trading, and I love you guys. I'll see you next time.